Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be briefly discussing the golden line indicator. Okay, for more information, you can just check the description below and follow the link to the website, Forex Geek website, to get more information. Okay, so now this indicator, as you can see, it displays the trend, the prevailing trend in the market. It also displays important informations like you can see London time, Tokyo time, the broker time, bar, the spread, local time, GMT. And then if you look closely, you will also notice important support levels, resistance levels, pivot points. And then of course you can see also the price, and then you can see some multi-time frame information here, the trend across different time frames, MACD, STR, and the EMA, right? So this indicator helps you to identify the prevailing momentum in the market, the prevailing trend in the market, and then with the aid of these lines as well, when you have the lower period line crossed above the higher period line, is also a buy signal, right? And then when you notice that the lower period line crosses below the higher period line, is a sell signal. But then you should trade in the direction of the trend, right? And then down here, you will also notice the appearance of the blue arrows and the red arrows. So when you notice a blue arrow appear, it's also a buy signal. So now look for confluences, okay? When you have the blue arrow appear, you have the lower period line cross above the higher period line, and then you have the color of the candlesticks change to green. That should be a good time to buy, all right, especially if it is in a bullish trend. Then now in a bearish trend, you want to look out for the formation of these red arrows, and then the shorter period line cross below the longer period line, and then at the same time you want to look for the color of the candlesticks to change to red. Okay, so when you have those confluence, in addition to candlestick patterns or any other confirmation that you want to have, that should give you more confidence to execute your trades. Okay, so now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Okay, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.